We'll guide you through how to add Google Drive to File Explorer. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Drive download website. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Once load, click the Download Drive for Desktop from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the download page for Google Drive for Desktop. Click on Download, and once the installer is downloaded, open it to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Google Drive for Desktop on your computer. Once installed, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account, so go ahead and do that. After signing in, you'll be given options to sync your drive to your computer. Choose the folders you want to sync and confirm your choices. Now, open File Explorer and you'll see Google Drive listed in the left-hand pane. Click on it to access your files and folders just like you would any other folder on your computer. You can drag and drop files directly into this folder, and they'll automatically sync with your Google Drive account. If you ever need to change sync settings or manage your Google Drive preferences, you can do so by clicking on the Google Drive icon in your system tray at the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, you can adjust which folders are synced or pause syncing if needed. This setup not only makes accessing your files more convenient, but also keeps everything backed up and accessible from anywhere. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.